TLR series of rail-mounted weapon lights from Streamlight. The TLR series of flashlights from Streamlight, available at Evike.com, feature deep dish parabolic reflectors, producing a concentrated beam with optimum peripheral illumination. They also feature ambidextrous momentary, steady on and off switches, machined aluminum, sealed construction with black anodized finishes, waterproof and dustproof cases. Also include rail locating keys for both Glock style 1913 Picatinny, Smith & Wesson 99 TSW, and Beretta 90 rails. The Streamlight TLR1 features a 300 lumen C4 LED, rated up to 12,000 candela peak beam intensity and up to 300 lumens of measured system output. Powered by two CR123A batteries. The Streamlight TLR3 125 lumen C4 LED powered flashlight has an LED rating of up to 5,300 candela peak beam intensity and up to 125 lumens of measured system output. A runtime of 1.5 hours and is powered by one CR2 battery. Finally, the Streamlight TLR4 125 lumen C4 LED powered flashlight boasts an LED rating of up to 5,300 candela peak beam intensity and a 125 lumen measured system output, as well as a 640 to 660 nm red laser, an integrated laser aiming module, and 1.5 hours of runtime. The Streamlight TLR4 is also powered by an included CR2 battery. To find out even more information about all of the Streamlight TLR series of weapon-mounted lights, you can find them in our store or on our website, right here at Evike.com.